Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Twitcha. I make up videos regarding home decor, thrifting, making your own home decor items, and those are all sometimes thrifted, sometimes high-end decor inspired, and sometimes I make it on my own. So if you are into the same kind of topics, if you like to watch those type of videos, you will definitely love the videos on my channel. Go ahead and check out, and let's get started with today's video. So today's video is about upcycling. So I recently moved to a new house and I got to figure out a few things that I had in my house. I was seeing it every day and I didn't like it, to be honest. I was just there and I didn't want to modify whatever was there. Since I was moving, I had to take everything with me and move to the new apartment. So I got hands on to a few things that I thought maybe I can refurbish, maybe I can put something on that makes it look more appealing. So I worked on two of them and they both turned out pretty well. The basket that looks like a modern mid-century basket that has the leather and also a little bit of different kind of material for the jersey yarn, and the second one is the modern bohemian home decor that has a macrame cord and also the glass vase. I think that everyone has a glass vase, so you won't even have to go out to get the glass vase. You will definitely find that in your home. So hold on to the screen and let me get started with today's video. Welcome from VoiceOver Twitcha. To get started, I had this metal wire basket that was in geometrical patterns. It was really nice when I bought it. It's pretty silver and metal kind of a decor. That's something that I don't like it anymore. I got this jersey yarn that is basically a stretchable yarn which is made from the jersey or t-shirt kind of material, and started to wrap my basket from the edges. Well, this is the very base step for that. It's still gonna get overlapped with some other yarn. It's just that just to make sure that it doesn't show up any silver part, I had to start from the top. And once I had my edges covered, I started to wrap the yarn vertically to hide those geometrical patterns. At first, I decided that I will just wrap the yarn just to cover the geometrical patterns and I will leave some of the triangles blank. Somehow it was like a lot of work. Outcome was not really impressive. So I just started wrapping this way, just to give it a little bit of texture vertically. It makes my basket look bigger in height. I think I've never had any yarn that is in a black color, and I have made the entire project with black color. So I was super excited about this one because I really didn't have any idea how it's gonna turn out, because I'm not a black person when it comes to home decor, but I'm very impressed the way it turned out. And if you want, you can use either macrame as well, macrame with the leather handles, or maybe you can just use black with the leather handles. Well, black actually worked better for me because I worked on macrame already and kind of have an idea how it's gonna turn out. So I wanted to try black this time. And once I have my basket wrapped up in the t-shirt yarn vertically, I had this leather belt that I saved for this type of projects. And I cut that in half and made the handles on both sides. Well, I did not use any industrial glue. I just used my normal hot glue gun. Yeah, here was done. And well, our second project is also very exciting. For that, all you need is a glass vase, and I think we all have this type of glass vase. We might have used it in a wedding decor, just to keep the flowers in a house. It can be anything, and this is a pretty common flower vase that you can get anywhere. And For that, you need just a glass vase, macrame cord, and a hot glue gun. Now what I'm doing here is I'm just gluing my macrame cord into the abstract way on the glass vase. You can do whatever you want, like line art or probably a flower. You can just wrap in round or in a vertical way as well. For me, I really wanted to go with the abstract way with a lot of curves, lot of spirals, rainbows, something like that. So for me, this design worked really well. You can take a reference of line art. That's easy too, and it's pretty like 5 or 7 minute task, and it's fun process. I used almost 1 meter of the macrame cord in making this project. And whenever I had my cord ending, I made a spiral and glued in the end. That actually created the design, and it doesn't even show my dead ends. Yes, that's also a trick. And for other macrame, I created a rainbow and I was done. I hope you've enjoyed, and if you have, please don't forget to leave your comment, like and subscribe. I go through all the comments and I try to reply all of them, and I love when you leave the comment for me. That gives me a suggestion and idea like what I need to work on. Suggestions are very helpful. So please don't forget to do that, and I will see you in the next video.